What's up, everybody? James Elkins with Ford Muscle Magazine, and I'm here with David and his Explorer ST. Now, what makes the XT so special?
Well, it's a 3-liter V6 twin-turbo, all-wheel drive, and rated from the factory at 400 horsepower. So it's a lot of fun. It's quick off the line, and it's a great grocery getter.
Nice. So now these typically have 3 things that people want to replace on them. I've seen intake, exhaust, intercooler. What's something you would like to get on this car?
Those are the 3 things: intercooler, exhaust, and intake. Probably, I think intake's usually the first thing to knock out.
Nice. Got you covered. Today we're going to be installing this.
Cool.
On your SUV. Let's check it out, man.
Let's do it.
Let's go through the contents of it. You got a knife, I got a knife. One of us is going to get this box open. Nope, not that. Got the intake tubes. It's a lot bigger than factory for sure.
Yeah, definitely. Oh, I think they got that hose we were worried about.
Nice. Of course that. And then most of all, hold on.
Stickers.
We got stickers. We have the stickers. And the instruction manual, which we probably should follow on this one. Let's see what happens. Let's see how far along we get before we revert back to RTFM. With everything out of the car, we can do a compare and contrast between the aFe product and the OE. We're gonna start with the air filter. Shame on you, sir. Shame on you. However, we got the new ones right here. Moving along, we can tell the OEM piping is much smaller than the aFe power units. And that also goes for the other side. A lot less complications, nice formed versus the factory, which is there. And then the airbox size. Factory airbox, 2-piece design. When it comes to Momentum GT, this box is a lot bigger. It's a 1-piece shell design, so there's no way for it to escape. Filters are in there. It just really comes out a lot cleaner. So let's get to installing this. You ready?
Yeah.
David, there's so much room for activities in here. Check this out.
Love the reference.
maybe not so much anymore. Fit this on there, and we're going to set this all up now. All right, David, we're done with the install. I think it was pretty easy. It took about 45 minutes to an hour, roughly about. A couple worm clamps got us on the bottom, plus big hands don't work well in tight engine bays. So what is your take on this new intake?
Looks great. Looks like it's going to breathe a lot better. Simple installation, surprisingly, with everything so close together, but went well, and I'm excited to get going.
Nice. You want to take it out for a drive?
Let's do it.
everybody. Well, that concludes our time in the Explorer ST that David owns. It has been a blast. It was a pretty simple install. It took about an hour to get it all done. We got everything fitted correctly, and then we went out for our second drive. To me, feels quicker. Definitely the butt dyno felt like it was much faster. David, what do you think?
Very pleased with it. Super simple and definitely fun to mash on the pedal.
Nice, nice. So what do you guys think? In the comments section, let us know what you think. Is this the ultimate grocery getter, family hauler, dadmobile? Let us know. Tools are overrated. Work with our hands. 2,000 years later.